Good morning, students. In sequence of our separation, different method of separation, I would like to explain you about the different methods of separation. First method is hand picking. By hand picking, we can separate stones and the other stalks particles from grains. Okay, from wheat, from rice, we can separate that stalks and stone particles from that grains. Threshing. Threshing is a process by which we can separate grains from stalks. Okay. By beating that stalks, you can observe that grain particles will be separate from that stalks by the process of threshing. Understood? Next process is winnowing. By the help of wind, we can separate the light particles from the grains. Light means जैसे भूसी होती है, उनके जो peels होते हैं, they can be separate from the method of winnowing by the help of air. Okay. Swing. Swing means छानना. जैसे हमने tea leaves, we can separate tea leaves or we can separate small stones, big stones by process of swaying. Okay. Sedimentation. This is a very important process. By the sedimentation process, we can separate the mud particles or heavy stones or dirty particles from dirty water, and we can get clean water after the sedimentation. We have to put or we have to keep the dirty water if it is having mud in that. Then you can see after some time that mud particles will settle down at the bottom of the vessel. This process is called sedimentation. In sedimentation, after sedimentation, we can pour that water into another vessel. This process is called decantation. Okay, means पानी को रखना, उसको जमा होने देना नीचे heavy particles को. This process is called sedimentation. Although decantation, pouring of clean water of upper surface from that vessel. This process is called decantation. After that, filtration. We can filter that water by help of filter paper. This process is called filtration. Next, evaporation. If we have dissolved salt in water, okay, so by process of evaporation, we can separate that salt from this water. How? We will start to evaporate that water. Then after, the salt particle will left at the bottom of that vessel, and the all water can be evaporate in form of water vapor. We can collect that water vapor, and after condensation again we can get the pure water. Is that clear? So these are the process or different methods of separation by which we can separate the useful things for